the DP-28, but here are 3 interesting facts you probably don't know. First, it was designed in the 1920s by Soviet engineer Vasily Degtyaryov, and by World War II, over 800,000 were made. Second, its most unique feature was the big round pan magazine on top, holding 47 rounds. Soldiers joked it looked like a record player. Third, the gun was simple and rugged, able to fire in mud, snow, and freezing cold. But the heavy magazine and slow reload often caused problems. Still, the DP-28 served from World War II all the way into the Korean War, earning the title of the Red Army's true workhorse.